don't know what y'all doing over here. There's some mother in the refrigerator.
What?
Somebody in the mother refrigerator. I don't know what the he's doing. Look at this. There's mother in there.
We're approaching the refrigerator. We see a straw hanging out. Maybe there really is somebody in this fridge.
I'm over here checking out the TV, and I just watched some mother come in here and go in the refrigerator. I'm like, what the hell?
Open it up.
There's some mother in the refrigerator.
Open it up.
What the are you doing?
I was checking out this refrigerator.
I've heard of this situation happening before. People hiding in trunks, in suitcases, in cabinets. They wait until the store closes, and then they rob the place.
You gonna buy it?
I was thinking about buying it.
Don't you normally check it out by looking at it, not testing it out?
Sometimes.
What are we gonna do, rob us? This mother is not getting away with it. Not here.
Hold on.
Hey. What's going on? Hey, man, it's a nice refrigerator.
Get the out of here.
Come on, refrigerator.
He was stupid. Why would your ass jump into a refrigerator?
Come on, man.
He kind of reminded me of like a crackhead Snoop Doggy Dogg. Tell you right now, you take another step, it's gonna be your last step walking.
Were you gonna stay in there all night, come out in the night?
What if this guy is part of a bigger team? I'm worried. I need to figure out a solution and talk to my dad.